Hello YouTube. It's now Thursday, the 27th of May, I believe. And I was going to show you what the bird did up here in my... Look at that, huh? I don't know what kind of bird that is. This one, we know what that is. That's a robin. Let's see what he's got up in there. What's in there? Anyway, I'm not here to harass the birds. She's empty. This camper, this topper is probably a 1999 like my truck. These things were worn out. Half the time this thing had popped down and hit me in the head. So for like, I think $16, I ordered a pair of these from on Amazon. He's turning it so you can read it. I like them. I just looked, measured them, extended and compressed. I ordered some that were close. These were within an inch of being the right length. They were supposed to be 17. These were just a hair over 16. So I like it now. So I don't even have to lock that anything anymore. Just close it up. It hasn't fallen once. Pull it down. Watch. Oh yeah, nice and tight. I like it. For 15 bucks, I was getting hit in the head. Oh, that smells good. You smell all that pine that I could smell it all the way in my house this morning. You can see some of those with the knots in it. I was struggling to rip it apart. Still some pretty good chunks in there, but I got a big stove. I might have to saw that one. That one refused to split. It kept popping up and I just decided I was just going to saw it in two. Everything else I got. I left some big chunks. I got some real little ones, so I even got my kindling with it. That'll help. I got a pile almost that big back there in the woods from that great big log that I was fighting. I got that all split. I just haven't carried it up here yet. And I got some other trees laying around. Every day another ash falls. Man, that smells good. I wish you could smell it. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.